Hi friends, I am Someshwar. Today I am going to explain about this power weeder. In our village, all the farmers are using this power weeders for the intercultivation purpose. That's why I have started a new channel, Agrotech Farming, for the farmers from the last year. The main intention is show you how these power weeders are performing in the field. Now the viewers are asking to show about this how you design this power weeder. Last year we have designed this power weeder for our agriculture use, and every farmer in our village are using power weeders only. Just rotavator types, some are using like this type of machines. First make a look at this machine on all the sides first, then I will explain you how the measurements and the tools which we used in this power weeder. Then I will show you the measurements. Firstly we designed the base. So the base total frame length of this power weeder is frame length, that is of 2 feet 24-inch length, and the height of this frame is, see, 11 inches, and then width of this frame is 9 inches width. And firstly you want to design the frame, first frame, then you go for that. Then take the required tools are 6 sealed bearings, the sealed bearings as you required, and 6 sealed bearing. Next, chain and sprockets, 2 big sprockets and 2 smaller sprockets. Smaller sprockets are of 12 tooths and the big sprocket is of 36 tooths. Take 2 pair. And next, 2 pulleys, one is smaller one and another one is bigger one. I will show the measurement of these pulleys. This pulley is of nearly 3.5 inches, and the big pulley is of 14 inches pulley. This is 14 inches, that is 3.5-inch pulley. These are the required tools. These all are available in the market itself. We purchased from the Hyderabad Raniganj, and this frame is made with the anglers, 1.5-inch angler, heavy angler. This is for making this framework. And then next, after take this machine to the lake machine work, properly insert these bearings, this chain and sprockets, then this shaft is of required, with required in the bearing, nearly 25 rod this is. And these are the chobbies to not to rotate these sprockets for keyways. This and we call as a keyways to not to rotate these sprockets. This all this mechanism we have done because to here the RPM of the machine. First you look at RPM of the engine and the engine details. Here this is Varsha pump set engine, this is pump set engine, and this is 5 HP engine, and this RPM is 2600 RPM. On load you assume that 1500 RPM. Here this engine runs on 1500 RPM. Here it reduce this RPM with all these mechanisms, and at last the wheel rotates with just 50 RPM. Here this wheel shaft rotates with 50 RPM. That means in 1 minute the wheel rotates 50 times forward. And then Then after designing this frame, after this installation of these all the shafts and bearings, sprockets and everything, then you go for making of a wheel. Okay, for designing of a wheel, first take a 16 mm rod. This is 16 mm rod. Take the perimeter for perimeter around the circle. This is of 4. This comes 4.4, 4 feet 4 inches length rod, and just just bend the rod and make 4 circlers, and then start making wheel. This diameter of this wheel is 14 inches wheel this is. After designing this wheel, you go for the engine base always should be on the front position, and this weight should be on the front position. Then the vehicle is imbalance, always it's falls down. Why? Because when we attach plow, it just goes into the soil, then it balancedly it goes forward. The engine base is inserted here, and as just on the here on the angler, make 2 holes and just cut it just like this, and cut it, and engine can be moved any as your wish. You can move forward or backward as shown,
Right or left side?
left or right side as you wish. All these bearings also. Then after in designing the engine, after designing the engine base, then go for the handle making. This handle is made with a pipe, with a heavy gauge pipe. You should normal gauge. See thickness of this pipe, very heavy gauge pipe. If you use thin pipes, it breaks. This pipe length is of see here 3 feet 8 inches, 3 feet 8 inches pipe length. And these are the supporting rods to this pipe. The supporting rod length is of 2.4 inches supporting. This should also heavy, otherwise it's become bended. And in the center position, you take this much length, 1 feet 7 inches or 8 inches, this much. And for this machine, we cannot we don't have clutch. That's why we use this mechanism. When we press here, then automatically here it gets up, and they say actually this belt is always loosen. When we press, it becomes tightened, then engine moves forward. This act as a clutch in this machine. This machine is not made by engineers, just a former idea which made this engine. We made this engine for with a working of 1 month. The expenditure we spent it on this machine, these anglers, these all these bearings, this shaft, this pulleys, all we bought from workshops. This cost became 1,500 for this cost framing. For frame it got 15,000, and for the welder we have gave 5,000. And this engine is our pump set engine, Vasha or water pump set engine, and totally 20,000 we got on the frame. And engine we have in market, this machine engine is available at China. Engines are 10,000. This is Kirloskar engine, that's why it's cost higher, nearly 20,000, 18,000 around it comes. Anyways, a farmer can do this machine within 30,000 to 35,000. He can design. Those who are interested can do this machine in every states of our India. My aim is to this machine should be available whole over India, and for the intercultivation is the best machine comparing with the rotavator type machines. They are we want to expand more on the like 80,000 90,000 on the rotavator type. They are best, but it's very simple to make this machine. And for we can here we can attach our plow, leveler, uh, and cultivator as you wish. You can attach here from here. Okay, regarding to this machine, if you have any doubts, you just comment on my video. I can clarify you. If you want any anywhere doubts or anything regarding to it, I can clarify you, but please don't ask me phone numbers. I am not selling these machines. We have designed this machine for our agriculture purpose, and I'm just showing you the performance of machines, every machines, how these power weeders are working, all this. Okay, I will start this machine and show you once. Okay, this machine is we are using in cotton, chili, majorly here. Best for the intercultivation for cotton, chili. Thank you. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.